amerikanska punkrockbandet My Chemical Romance är på Sverige-besök. Gruppens tredje platta, The Black Parade, ligger högt upp på den amerikanska, engelska och svenska albumlistan. Nu inleder emo-rockbandet sin årslånga världsturné med en spelning på arenan i Stockholm.
The best part of being in a band happens is when you actually get out and go to different cities and different countries and play shows. Songs always take on a different life when you play them live because you have that interaction with the kids, and we've been kind of waiting for months since the record's been done to play these for people. So now we just can't wait to get out there.
When I was a young boy.
Bandet bildades för 5 år sedan i New Jersey. Idag är de idoler för massor av tonåringar som under tisdagskvällen mötte dem i 100-tal på en skivsignering i Stockholm. Kombinationen av allvarstyngda texter och lättsam musik verkar tilltala fansen. Senaste albumet har på en dryg vecka sålt över 1 miljon plattor världen över.
It's really bizarre because it's really successful and it came out 11 days. It came out 11 days ago. So it's like, wait a minute. How does it feel?
It feels pretty damn good.
Yeah, I didn't expect it so soon to be understood by a wide variety of people, but it's amazing.
To join the Black Parade.
Plattan The Black Parade är något idag så ovanligt som ett renodlat konceptalbum om döden.
It's something that unifies everybody. It's something that, you could be walking down the street and you could, get hit by a car, or you could, anything can happen, and there's always that looming fear above you. And, basically we wanted to write a record about, realizing that death can come for you at any time, and so while you're on this earth, you really should make the best of what you have here.
My Chemical Romance är inne på att någon gång i framtiden göra musikal. Det närmaste man kommer det idag är ett omtumlande gästspel på albumet av självaste Liza Minnelli.
For the time that we spent with her, it was just one of the craziest and most fun recording experiences. Because you never think that that's ever going to happen.